Ever wondered why you can't place an ice cream cone in your back pocket in Alabama on Sundays? Or why it's illegal to whistle underwater in Vermont? Welcome to the fascinating world of US laws. Today we'll delve into some of the most important and at times quirky laws that govern the United States. First up is the Freedom of Information Act. Signed into law by President Lyndon B. Johnson in 1966, it provides the public with the right to request access to records from any federal agency. It's crucial for transparency and accountability in government. Next is the Fair Labor Standards Act. This pivotal law, established in 1938, sets the minimum wage, overtime, pay eligibility, record keeping, and child labor standards affecting full-time and part-time workers in the private sector and in federal, state, and local governments. Then we have the Civil Rights Act of 1964. This landmark piece of legislation outlawed discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin, reinforcing the notion that all men and women are created equal. On a lighter note, in the state of Arizona, it's illegal for donkeys to sleep in bathtubs. This law came into existence after a merchant's donkey habitually got into an old bathtub and, following a heavy rainstorm, was washed away into a basin, sparking a costly and time-consuming rescue mission. Then there's the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. This 1998 law criminalized the production and dissemination of technology intended to circumvent copyright protections, making the internet a safer place for creators. Lastly, we have the Affordable Care Act of 2010, often referred to as Obamacare, which expanded and improved access to health care, covering millions of uninsured US residents. To recap, we've looked at some important laws that govern the US, from the Freedom of Information Act that enhances transparency, the Fair Labor Standards Act regulating employment conditions, the Civil Rights Act promoting equality, to the Digital Millennium Copyright Act protecting online content, and let's not forget the Affordable Care Act ensuring healthcare for many. We also encountered an unusual law about donkeys and bathtubs in Arizona, because why not? These laws, whether serious or quirky, shape the everyday lives of those living in the United States. So whether you're navigating work rights, advocating for transparency, or just ensuring your donkey has a safe place to sleep, understanding these laws can make all the difference. Remember, laws serve to guide and protect us. They might seem complex or even bizarre at times, but they're an important part of creating a functioning society. Always stay curious and informed about the laws that govern your world. Until next time, stay savvy and stay safe.